Hello friends, welcome to Sankalp Education Center and you are with Sir R.K. Singh, and here we are continuing the HTML series video. So the main power of HTML is what you know, the chief power, the main power is linking. So what is linking is when one text is referring you from one page to another page, or maybe from one page or one section of page to another section of page or another page. So this is the method using you can join two hypertext file and two web page. So that's why the HTML name itself, it is coming hypertext markup file. So what is hypertext is also the text which can navigate you from one document, one hypertext document to another document or file or segment of document or section of document. So this is a hyperlink also. Hyperlink is a link which can navigate you from a hypertext document to another document, file, location, segment of any web browsers, or from one segment of web browser to another segment of web browser. So that's why because of this hyperlink only the HTML become so popular that time. Why? Because it was having ability to join two or more pages together. So that's why if you create one page, you can have the access of million pages. You can go from one page to another page. How? Because when you will click on hypertext, so that text will be activated, that link will be activated, and it will navigate you from one hypertext document to another hypertext document. So because of this ability only the HTML becomes so popular. Let's see how to write the syntax. So first we will understand that linking of document. So linking is the two type. One is a external linking and second is internal linking. What is second is internal. So we will discuss these both. One is the external linking and second is the internal linking. What is external linking? When one page navigate you another page, means from one page to page, means from one page to another page, from one document to another document, means one document to separately new document. When it is navigating you external linking means it is navigating you another page, directly another page. So this is external linking. So in external linking, the link will navigate you directly from one document to another document, one new document, new page. So this is external linking. External linking will navigate you from one page to another page, from one document to another document. Internal linking. What is internal linking? Internal linking navigating you from one segment of page to another segment of page, or maybe in the same page different segments. So in internal linking what is happening, that it is navigating you different segment of same page or otherwise the different segment of another page. So it is directly navigating you from one page to another page. It is internally in one segment, from one segment to different segment. So this is what external linking and this is what internal linking. Let's see how to write. So to achieve the linking or to create hyperlink in HTML, we have a tag that is known as a tag. What is tag? A tag. It is known as the anchor tag. What is it? Anchor tag. So anchor tag, we write it anchor tag, and second we write href, hypertext reference. So href is an attribute of anchor tag which takes what? It is taking the URL of the document, like if you are writing main page, or you can write home page dot HTML, means from one segment of the document you want to go to another segment of the document. Just close this one. Here you can write click here to get home, otherwise for home page click here and close anchor tag. So what is syntax? You understand very clearly that anchor tag is there. This is anchor tag. So anchor tag on, anchor tag off. Okay. Now href is an attribute. This is the page name. .html is the extension, and click here the text which will appear on page, and when you will click where on this text, it will take you here. How it will come? This is page, this is your web page. So here it will come, click here to get home page, and this one will be highlighting text. When you will click here, the click symbol will come, and when you will click here, home page will appear. So this is how you can go from one page to another page. So if you are going from one page to another page, this linking is coming in which linking? Of course, external linking. So using which tag you can create hyperlink? Using anchor tag you can create hyperlink. What is the attribute of anchor tag? href is an attribute of anchor tag. What value href takes? Href takes the content, the page name, okay, where you, or the document URL where you want to go. This is what? This is the text where you will click, and here close anchor tag. So this is very easy to understand how to go from one page to another page, how to create link, and how to create hypertext, how to create hyperlink also. So I told in very beginning that hyperlink can navigate you from one hypertext file to another hypertext file, or a document or segment of document or location or file. So this is what, this is a hypertext file. This is a hypertext where you click and you can go from one page to another page. So I hope that you have understood very clearly. Okay. Now we'll see very complex tag in hypertext where image can navigate you from one page to another page. So image linking. So this one was the part of the external linking only, because it was navigating you from one page to another page. So image linking. So this is little bit complex. What you do, UL on, UL off, right? LI, what is LI? List item. So A, anchor tag, href. Okay, here you write the name of the document, a.html, where you want to go. Okay, and close the anchor. No, here don't close. Afterwards you write here img src, write here image name. You know that anything you write me.jpg, close it, and here you write the text what I told. So my image, and close a tag here. One more you can create here, write li, anchor tag, href, write b.html, write here img src, it's u.jpg, just close it. Here you are, right here. Here you are, and just close A. So see how you can link two image, one your photo and one your friend's photo. What you do, here you write anchor tag, here you write the page where it will go. Now here the image name, and here the hypertext file name. Here again the page name. Okay, if the same page, then you can write the same page only, no problems. A different page than different page, and here is the URL name. So it will take you from one page to another page by using the image clicking. So let's summarize. What is link? Link can navigate you from one page to another page. What is hyperlink? Hyperlink can take you from one hypertext file to another hypertext file location or maybe segment of the page. So how to get it? There is a tag that is known as the A tag, anchor tag, and href, hypertext reference, is an attribute of anchor tag, and we write syntax like this and we get. Okay, thank you.